Hi beautiful, Shiloh Wood here from Perfect Shade Cosmetics. Today I'm going to be introducing you to one of our DIY home care kits in the Lochi range. And this is available at our Johannesburg store for 300 Rand, as well as we can deliver to you for an additional fee of 99 Rand. I personally recommend this because I've been using this in the lockdown period because we are unable to go to our salons and stylists, and this infuses intense moisture for severely damaged hair as well as normal hair for maintenance. So I definitely recommend this kit. It has a 100ml mask as well as 2 intense hydration ampules, and you will have your DIY monthly annual treatment kit in your hands at home to maintain your hair in between your visits as well as during this lockdown period. So ladies, if you would like to order this, please WhatsApp us on 079-272-4713. The benefits of this kit is that it infuses intense hydration and moisture to chemically treated hair as well as severely damaged hair.